As parents, we all want the best opportunities for our children. Hear how Global R Hub helped Sonam gain valuable research experience under a PhD mentor and take a confident step towards their dream of studying abroad.
Hi, this is Dicky, Sonam's mother. Today I'd like to share with you our journey with Global R Hub. Now, a few months back, I noticed that my son Sonam had developed a keen interest in economics and finance. But like all high schoolers, he had only the basic knowledge of the subject. But he wanted to do something meaningful, more impactful like research. But we didn't know how to go about it or where to find the right guidance. That's when we came across Global R Hub on Instagram. After the initial round of inquiries, we decided to enroll him under the mentorship of Dr. Niharika. That's one of the best decisions that I've made, Now the sessions were thoughtfully structured and each session was, tailored to match his pace and interests. Sonam thoroughly enjoyed each session with Dr. Niharika. He genuinely looked forward to all the sessions that he had. His curiosity and interests, confidence also grew week by week as the sessions progressed. And he not only gained confidence, but also he deepened his knowledge about the subject. What gave more depth to the research project, to the experience that he had, was his every milestone was evaluated, by a global faculty, Dr. Sivendu, who is an esteemed professor at the University of South Florida. Now, Dr. Sivendu's expert insights and feedback really gave value research projects. And it really boosted Sonam's confidence, And what started off as a basic interest in a subject grew out to be something concrete, turned out to be a concrete research project, And I'm incredibly proud to say that his research project has been published. This experience not only added value to his academic profile, but it also, helped him in getting shortlisted for many university interviews. Sonam also realized that, the impact of research even at the high school level. So I'd like to thank Global R Hub, Dr. Sivendu and Dr. Niharika for this incredible journey which was enriching and rewarding for both of us. Thank you so much.